Welcome. In front of me is HP Stream 14, and in this video I'm going to show you how to boot this device from USB. So first, make sure that you have a bootable USB device inserted into this laptop. Press the power button once, and while your device powers up, start repeatedly clicking F9 button until you boot into the boot menu. Here, select the USB hard drive on the list using your arrow keys to navigate, down and up arrow keys to navigate, and choose with enter. Then wait until your device boots into the installation screen. If you have anything else on this USB flash drive, of course it will open too. Now, in order to exit from here, select the X icon, then proceed by clicking yes, and your device will boot into Windows after that. But of course you can proceed with the installation if you need. And for this video, that will be all. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.